Leonardo AI platform on 12 June 2024 introduced their foundational model, titled Phoenix. In my previous video that I will put the link in description, I introduced this model and explained the major features and compared the image generation with older models. However, I missed one important feature: coherent text in images. Generate clear, accurate text within images, perfect for banners, posters, and logos. I will add contents for social media, even YouTube thumbnails, and professional comic strips. In this video, I explored the feature of coherent text by using Phoenix and compared it with ChatGPT 4o as well. Let's dive in. I'm using free account here. When you click on image generation, as default, Phoenix is the preset model. To save time, already I prepared 5 prompts to test. Let's copy and paste. This is a hamster running on a wheel with the text "Training for the Hamster Olympics." Nice. The text have been designed beautifully, different color and position as well. I liked all 4 images. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like the content. Otherwise, I will take your favorite pet. Let's try another prompt. A cat is staring at a fish tank saying, "One day fish, one day." One tip to share is related to prompt enhance. If this is on, your prompt might be changed. Be sure the text is included in the prompt. Nicely designed text. To have full control, I will make off the prompt enhance option. Another prompt: a child covered in flour in a messy kitchen saying, "I was just trying to make pancakes." Here, trying is distorted. Pancakes twice. Nice. And this one also nice. Another prompt: act twice. Nice. What is this? Nice design with text. For last prompt, I made it more difficult. A magician pulling an endless string of scarves from a hat saying, "I swear the rabbit was in here somewhere." An audience says, "I believe in you." Duplicate and the audience is missing. Not perfect. Not good. Yes, this is what we wanted. Nice job. The speech bubble should move a little bit towards magician, but it's okay. Let's try another model, cinematic kino, here in Leonardo AI. With the same difficult prompt, as you see, the texts are missing or distorted. Even the image does not look like a magician scene. I tried another prompt, no text at all. Now I pasted exactly the same prompts in ChatGPT 4o. Clear text. Nice image and clear text. Here as well. And the magician image, nice image, but surprisingly we see the rabbit as well. The last prompt was chef image. No text. I tried another time. No text. I pushed AI that sometimes works. The text missing. Nope. Next day. I got this. Do you believe this? Beautiful design. It looks OpenAI platform for ChatGPT might went down the other day. Maybe our load issue or whatever. And in their website, they confirmed past incidents as well. I'm not sure what happened for my image generation was related to this, but my tip is try ChatGPT in other time as well, before concluding its task performance. In my opinion, Leonardo AI Phoenix model and OpenAI ChatGPT 4o did great job, but Phoenix was somehow better and more stable in image generation and text designs overall. Please share with me your experiences. Don't forget like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.